Yo, what good, guys? Been a couple days since I made a video. Had a lot of schoolwork to get caught up on. Finals week coming up, exams and essays. So, yeah, I just got caught up. Yeah, let's hop into the chart and see what we can see. So, today, we had a massive squeeze. I really wanted to make a video last night. I saw this coming. I really wish I could have told you guys. Yeah, this was pretty imminent. Just didn't have time. That was really unfortunate, but yeah, we're just gonna work with what we got here. We're gonna take a deeper look. Today we had that 12-point move from its lowest to the top, and I'm gonna show you where I knew it was pretty likely that this was gonna happen. So right here you have this candlestick pattern. This is called a morning star reversal. You know, you have this doji and then this candle moving higher up, which is your confirmation candle. And tomorrow we're going to want to see it close around 4:30 above the top of this candle, and we would likely see continuation, most likely up to that 438 level where we have a gap at, which is, let me find it, it's a tiny one. There it is. So just like that 418 gap, it's small, but that 418 got hit, so it's still very relevant. A gap is a gap. Yeah, so you got that gap there, and about that 418 gap, that one got filled. I believe in my last video I said SPY may be prioritizing filling this gap at 418. That's what happened. We went there and you know, we were moving around a lot there, but in the end we had a huge move out of this. Yeah, there's this insane downtrend that we broke. I believe there was, let's see, something around here like this. A lot of resistance, yeah, right here. Broke that, we bounced off of it, and then we started moving back up. Yeah, massive move today. It was crazy, but it was expected. So now we're at this area where we're kind of underneath this flip switch area right here. So as you can see in the past, once you get through this, you go right to the other side. So we just didn't have the energy to go into it and then go all the way up to the other side, which is at 438. There's so many signs pointing that we are gonna go to that area. You got moving averages there. You have that channel I just pointed out, 438 level. You have a gap at 438. And we'll take a quick look at targets. So last video, you may remember me trying to map out 5 waves right here, and it just didn't make sense. Couldn't figure that out, so I had to reevaluate, and I came up with this ABC. This makes much more sense to me. So now we're in what's called the next wave, and that's to do with Elliott wave theory. I'm not going to be explaining that in this video. I'll be doing tutorial videos where I can explain that, but we're in this X wave, which looks like this. X, you have that target, and then the Y goes lower. So let's find out the targets. So let's see what we have here. That top looks decent. That's good. That's good. So gap right at 438. You have a fib level right here, that 50%. So we could be moving up to 438, it seems. So many signs are pointing to that. The Y, I guess we can just speculation if we come up to here and then we go lower, but 400 to 475, I guess. 475, that was the previous level I was watching. So anyways, now I'm going to show you some macro bearish signals that I have, which I've been looking at. you have possible bear flag right here. So you can see this kind of in the middle of it. Maybe we go up to the middle of this bear flag channel, reverse, and then we go under and make those new lows. Yeah, just a lot of signs. You have these moving averages about to cross, which is really bad. The 50-day moving average and the 200 exponential day moving average. A lot of signs that we're gonna make a big move down, but with a bullish move first. So we did retrace an okay amount today, 0.236, but there's still more room to run. You have all that negative gamma, you have those short positions which I mentioned in my last video. A lot of shorts took positions around to that negative gamma got maxed out, and now it's just coming back down. So that's where all these big moves are coming from. Got those short positions fueling all of it, so there's still a lot more fuel left, which means we can still go higher, presumably to that 438 level. You have that Fed meeting next week. I'm not sure what day that is, but maybe we go green into the Fed meeting and then right out of it. So yeah, interesting chart. Really hard to give out those levels just because of how volatile everything is, but yeah, I mean, if we're topping out here, I'll give my bull targets and then bear targets. So maybe all-time highs, I don't know. Unlikely in the short term, just because you just have these really strong bearish developments. Anything under the low 440s, bearish are still in control. So there's a lot of bearish strength right now. Bearish development, bearish channel, bear flag. Bulls are not in a strong position here, so there's no reason to really being bullish in the long term yet, until we have this last move down under 400. So you have the NASDAQ making new lows too. Just made a new low, and it's likely SPY follows. So maybe we have finished that X wave, which I charted out already. I'll put that here. So we may be going yeah, this is what I'm looking at. Maybe we got a gap fill 464. I mean, the odds are somewhat low, just something to keep in the back of your head. And you have these gaps at 400, gap at 400, smaller gap at 398, I think, and then you have fib levels under 390 to 370. So those are all the levels to watch. Seems we may be moving a little higher before going lower. So yeah, watch for some more continued moves to the upside in the following days, especially up to the Fed meeting. Tech earnings is almost over. You have that monthly candle closing, weekly candle closing, obviously. Yeah, really shaky right now, but in my last video I mentioned it's gonna be pretty hard to see any direction until tech earnings is over. So yeah, we might have just gotten that confirmation of getting some green before going lower. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Watch for a little more continuation to the upside before going lower. Yeah, that's it. I'll be trying to be more consistent with the videos again. I got all that schoolwork, but yeah, we'll see how that goes. We'll see how it plays out tomorrow. Peace out, guys.